Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best indoor 25FT 3-outlet extension cord on the market, the DEWENWILS 3-outlet extension cord with flat plug. If you're looking for a long, safe, and reliable extension cord for your indoor needs, this one might be exactly what you're after. So stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this power-packed product in the next few minutes. Let's start with the basics. The DEWENWILS extension cord comes with a generous length of 25 feet, making it incredibly convenient to bridge those frustrating gaps between your power outlet and your devices. Whether you're in a large living room, a home office, or even a kitchen with limited sockets, this extension cord gives you the reach you need without hassle. What makes this extension cord stand out is the 3 grounded outlets. Instead of just 1 or 2, DEWENWILS gives you 3 3-prong outlets located on both the front and back sides of the connector. That means you can easily plug in multiple devices at once, whether it's your lamp, a computer, a vacuum cleaner, or any small kitchen appliance. That essentially means you're getting a heavy-duty cord that's not only durable but also built with enhanced insulation for added protection. And yes, it's ETL listed, so it meets strict safety standards for indoor electrical products. Now let's talk about design, because practicality plays a big role. The flat plug on this cord is a game changer. You can push furniture close to the wall without worrying about bending or damaging the cord. This low-profile plug design fits neatly into tight spaces, making it perfect for desks, bookshelves, or beds that sit snug against a wall. The cord itself is flexible, yet strong enough to withstand daily wear and tear. Thanks to the quality materials used in its construction, you won't have to struggle with a stiff or tangled wire. It unrolls smoothly and stays in shape, which is exactly what you want when you're working around corners or awkward layouts. Let's not forget about the specs. This cord operates at 125 volts, with a max power rating of 13 amps or 1625 watts. That gives it more than enough capacity for common household electronics and devices. Whether you're powering a home office or simply extending a plug behind a sofa, it's built to handle the load. The DEWENWILS 3-outlet extension cord comes in a clean, white color that blends in easily with most indoor decor. It's subtle, professional, and doesn't scream for attention. Whether you're using it in a minimalist workspace or a cozy living room, it looks right at home. If you're someone who needs a long-lasting indoor extension cord with extra outlets, and you value safety and smart design, this is a great buy. It's versatile, dependable, and ideal for everyday use across various rooms in your home. To sum it up, the DEWENWILS 25FT extension cord combines reach, reliability, and convenience in a smartly designed package. It solves the problem of limited wall outlets while keeping your space neat and safe. For us here at Product Critique, it's easy to see why this is considered the best indoor 25FT 3-outlet extension cord out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our reviews. See you in the next video.